was a bright sunny morning when we started for our tour of Phang Na Bay. Little did we know that it was going to be an unforgettable experience for us. Phang Na Bay is located deep in the sea between the mainland Thailand and the island of Phuket. It is unique for its numerous limestone rock caves embedded into the crystal blue waters of the sea. A minivan organized by our tour operator picked us from our hotel at Phuket and dropped us at the pier from where we boarded the big boat.
Okay, take a photo. Orange TV, just moment now. Take a picture, couple by couple, family by family.
We reached the pier to find our big boat waiting for us. This big boat would take us for an entire day tour into the deep blue sea. There were visitors from all corners of the world. Once everybody had boarded, some instructions were announced by the boat crew. Some nice refreshments were arranged for us, which included tea, coffee, juices, biscuits and fruits. Life jackets were distributed to all, after which we were almost ready to start our journey.
Everyone speak English? Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. But someone they stop it. Oh, this country good. This country no good. How you know? This country no good. For me, I hope every country good. Yes. Okay. And today I would like to ask some couple come for honeymoon. Yes or no? Yes. Honeymoon, like are you married at your country? You come to Thailand for honeymoon. Or someone say, like you marry at your country. Then you come to make baby in Thailand. And second, no jump in canoe. If you jump over. And whatever. I did many white husband fighting, brother, sister, friend, do Thai boxing. Today, when you promote me, yeah, if your camera, your mobile in the water, no fighting. No, do Thai boxing. Yes? Yes, everyone? If someone fighting, do Thai boxing, how are you? And put you outside the boat. You know what to leave you here. Mobile camera, you can buy new one, buy another one, no problem. Yes? Yes?
We were about to reach our first stop, James Bond Island. One of the crew members started the task of inflating the canoes. It was a clear day on the sea. It looked as if the emerald green water was studded with rocky gems. We were in the vicinity of the James Bond Island. All the canoes were being readied for us. One by one, each one of us alighted from the big boat to the canoe. Each canoe could carry up to 2 to 3 passengers. The James Bond Island was just around the corner of the hill in front of me. This island is popularly called James Bond Island as the movie The Man with the Golden Gun was shot here. All the islands here are limestone rocks rich with flora and fauna. After alighting from the canoe, we needed to take a walk along the island. The limestone rock in front of me is 66 feet in height and was featured in the James Bond movie as a mushroom-shaped rock containing 2 large solar panels. We were back to our boat. One of the crew members was trying his luck in fishing. This area is said to be rich in marine life with numerous varieties of fishes, shrimps and crabs. We enjoyed the hearty lunch served to us while we headed towards our next destination, the caves and lagoons of Hong Island.
ঠিক আছে